In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up a ThinkCapital account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to thinkcapital.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it should bring something like this. And here you can see that you can get started or get a free trial if you want to do that. But from here we'll need to go up to click Get Funded. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go over to the purchase details where you can see your product name and account size that is automatically chosen for you. But you can choose this in just a second. From here, you'll need to change the product category from either a Lightning account, a dual step intraday, a dual step swing, or a Nexus account. All of these will have different prices, so keep that in mind. From here, you'll need to go down to select the product and choose how much money you want inside of the specific account. So let's just choose 50k account for this right here. From here, you'll see the trading platform, and here you can choose between ThinkTrader or Platform 5. Platform 5 is of course MetaTrader 5. Then from here, you'll need to go down to billing details and enter your email address, first name, last name, phone number, address, city, state, postal code, and of course the country that you are living and pay taxes in. From here, you can go over to the order summary and see if you have a coupon code, and you can apply that by clicking here and click apply. From here, you can also choose the payment method by either card or USDT or USDC, which is crypto. From here, you'll see all of the receipts of the account, and here you'll need to click I agree to the terms and conditions and whether or not you want to get updates from ThinkCapital. From here, you'll need to click proceed to payment and add in your credit card details or crypto details and then pay for your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!